Hello there and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will demonstrate how to install ESPN on Firestick. 1. Turn on your Firestick and connect to Wi-Fi. Ensure your Firestick is connected to the internet and ready to use. 2. Go to the Amazon App Store. From the Firestick home screen, navigate to the Find tab. Select Search. 3. Search for the ESPN app. Use the on-screen keyboard or voice search via the Alexa button on your remote to type or say ESPN. 4. Select the ESPN app. In the search results, find and select the ESPN app. 5. Download and install the app. Click the Get or Download button to begin downloading the app. Wait for the installation to complete. 6. Open the ESPN app. Once installed, click Open to launch the app. 7. Sign in or activate. If you already have an ESPN account or subscription, example, ESPN Plus or a cable provider login, go to Settings, Account Information in the ESPN app. Follow the on-screen instructions to activate the app. This may involve visiting espn.com/activate on your computer or phone and entering the activation code shown on your TV. If you don't have a subscription, you can create an account and subscribe directly through the app. 8. Start watching. Explore live sports, ESPN Plus content if subscribed, and other features available through the app. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below for more tutorials on your favorite apps. Happy exploring!